This is a quick setup on sending calendar invites to a bulk email list using the AWS calendar invite server. Here's a setup real quick. I'm picking out a name in a list. So this is going to be the Major League Baseball list. I'm going to pick something out in a picker. And what's going to happen on the background is we're using API 1. And API 1 is our multi-purpose API kit. This kit includes 9 APIs for the AWS calendar invite server that actually send calendar invites on the fly out of Dynamo database on an outbound request. So I'm going to take a UID, match it on the fly to a name. That email name is in a list of 11 for the batch here that is demo specific. This demo could be up to a couple thousand in a small batch loaded up into a browser, and these email addresses actually are managed by API 1 within the browser to send out calendar invites for a particular MLB game. So that's the setup. Let's just get into it and do it real quick. I have a picker here. This picker here is going to allow me to send calendar invites, and I'm just going to pick out a list of 11, click one button, and Zach's in the list here. You'll see Zach here on the bottom, and Zach just received the calendar invite. Now what Zach's going to do is say yes to the game. So I can actually go back to the organizer dashboard here just by clicking one button, go to upcoming, and you're going to see him reload here. That was for the Cardinals. And when I get into details here for this event, you'll see that it's the same. It's the same data set. July 21st, Monday, Nationals versus the Reds, National versus the Reds. And you'll see that one person responded back. That was Zach for this. And so you can see that I'm actually tracking it. Now, live, you can see he accepted it over here. I'm going to change it to maybe. And you can see this live data set being moved around. Meaning that we're actually tracking data at a detail level. And you'll see that he just said tentative. And if he was to decline, why not? I'm going to refresh this again. And what's going on in the background is actually we are tracking the calendar receipt data back to the AWS calendar invite server. That's the end of the demo. Thanks.